what's up? I'm Ritushri and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you all a quick chit chat plus get ready with me for nothing. As we are not going to anywhere as it's lockdown, so we are not allowed to go anywhere, right? So I thought that let's just do a quick get ready with me and also let's talk about something like a quick chit chat video. So in this video we are just going to get ready. You all will be seeing me getting ready, do my makeup, and I'm also going to talk with you all guys about few things. So I think this video is going to turn out well. And if you are new to my channel, then hi, I'm Ritushri and I make contents related to lifestyle, beauty, productivity, studies, vlogs, and a lot more. So if you are someone who likes any of these videos, then please stick around, and you can also subscribe my channel. And I also have an Instagram account, so you can also follow me on Instagram. So I'll put everything down below in the description box. And let's not make this intro too much big. And now without any further ado, let's quickly get into the video. Made the camera very close to me and you can see my fully bare face, and you can also get some noises of reading. That's only because my brother is reading. Today I didn't study. Wow. Anyways, so let's start the makeup. I have all of my makeup essentials ready besides me. So let's start with the makeup. So first I'm gonna do my skincare off camera very quickly and catch you up, guys. Okay guys, so I have done my skincare and I have just applied a little moisturizer and toned my face. And I have also added this headband just because my hairs were falling. So now let's quickly get started with the makeup and also do a little chit chat. So first I'll start with the makeup and then start with the chit chat. So first I am obviously going to prime my face. So for prime, I'm not gonna say like which brands products I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna be linking them directly in the description box, so you may go and check it out. So first of all, I'm gonna be using a primer, and you can also get a lot of noises because I will obviously film in a room which is very close to the vehicle. To the road, so vehicles pass by and you can get a lot of noises. Okay, so the first thing that I'm using is primer. So let's use it. I need to open my spectacles, which is something which I don't like because I look very bad. Let's do this. I'll apply some primer and let's start with the chit chat. So from a lot of days you have been seeing me not uploading any kind of videos. Can you all hear me, by the way? I don't know why this primer is just not coming out. Ouch! I got a lot of primer. Okay, I'll sort it out. Anyways, so from a lot of days you have been seeing me that I have not been uploading a lot of videos. That's only because I am literally very busy with my studies, online classes, and I am like so busy. Even you won't believe I don't get one day also off. Like there are 7 days in a week and I don't get one day off. Now I'm a 10th grader, you all know that, and I don't get off one day also. Like on Monday I have a tuition, I have online classes every day except Sunday. I have tuition on Tuesday, I have Wednesday tuition every day, I have a tuition, everything. And on Sunday, if you don't believe me, on Sunday I have three tuitions, which is kind of hectic for me because I just can't handle so many tuitions and all. So it's very inconvenient. It's very boring for me to it's very hard for me to attend so many tuitions, attend my online classes, and also do make videos, and after that also edit, because I'm not such a great YouTuber, I'm not such a big YouTuber, so it becomes very hard for me to do everything alone, and I don't have any kind of manager or any somebody else for me to film my videos or edit my videos. So it becomes very hard for me to edit my, I mean, make videos after doing the online classes and all. So yeah, that's currently my life update. If you all would ask me that, hey Ritushri, what's your life update, what's going on in my life, then I would say the thing which is going on in my life is only and only studies for now. Like my routine has also become very bad. I have recently shared with you all my morning routine, but it has gone bad. I have like disbalanced everything. My sleeping schedule is disbalanced, my waking up schedule is disbalanced, everything is disbalanced. I literally wake up at any time, sometimes at 9:30, sometimes even at 10:30, which is like so bad. And after waking up, I just do the same things like brush my teeth, wash my face, washroom stuff, and after that I quickly do with my online classes. Sometimes I even miss first of my 2 online classes, and my teachers keep on questioning me what happened, what this, that, and I'm like, sorry sir, I couldn't get up on the time. Sometimes I'm sick, which is true. I don't lie to anyone. So yeah, I'm feeling really hot because the fans are off. So yeah, that's the very bad life going on with me. And you people comment me down below that how is your life going on. I know those whose ICSE exams are coming near, their life is going on in the same way. And but others, what is happening, like what is going on in your life, how is your life going on in this lockdown, and yeah, how you people are trying to keep you all motivated and all that. Yeah, now I'm going to apply foundation. So yeah, let's start with the foundation stuff. So I'm using this foundation. This is by Rimmel London. I'll link it down below. So I really love using this foundation. Sponge, I have also wetted it down because it's very necessary to first of all wet your makeup sponge, then use it. Otherwise all the product gets inside the makeup sponge. So let's start applying my foundation. Now one more thing that I want to talk about is that I think day before yesterday I have uploaded on my vlogging channel that please give me some video suggestion, whatever you all like. Let it be comedy, I mean fun, let it be beauty, let it be lifestyle videos or food, whatever videos you want. Just let me know in the comment section below. Just give me some video suggestions. So I got a lot of comments, and I have also shared the same video on my Instagram, on my story, on my post. So I got a lot of not a lot, but I got few suggestions over there. We people don't get a lot of suggestions because we are not that much great YouTuber. I don't know whether I'm looking good or not. I cannot see without the spectacles, right? So I don't know whether I'm looking good or not, but still I'm talking without the spectacles. So yeah, I got quite a few suggestions on Instagram and quite a few suggestions on my YouTube comment section. So thank you for those. Now few people commented to do about my exam, which is really good. I appreciate that. Now I'm also thinking to do like a exam related video. It's gonna come very soon, and few people commented to make like those are my friends, so they commented me to make some fun videos, which are also very good. Like I really like making fun videos, whether you all can see or not, but I have really mixed the foundation very well, and I have some pimples over here. So yeah, one more update is that today is 6th of June. So from 18th of June I'm having my exam. So from 18th to I think 26th or 27th I'm having my class 10th unit test exam. So I am not able to upload any videos on those days. It's like 2 weeks, I think 2 weeks of exam. So I'm very sorry, but I will not be able to upload any kind of videos on those days. But yeah, I will try to make as much as videos as I can after my exams get over. You all have really pleased me with your video suggestions. I'm so so fulfilled with your video suggestions. I will really try to make a lot of videos with this, and yeah, I have also planned a few of them, and I'm going to make those. Swiss Beauty. So I'm going to use this concealer. now, and I'm going to use it all over my pimples, my T-zone. So yeah. You talk about my health, how am I doing, like how is my health doing in this COVID situation, then it's all good. I'm all good in this COVID situation. Like there are a few people who fall sick, but I didn't. Luckily, yeah. One day I was like, my stomach was really paining bad. It was really paining very severely, but yeah, luckily, fortunately, by the blessing of God, I'm all right. But yeah, that's all good. But you all people, please comment me that how are your lives going, how are your studies going, are you getting bored or you all are entertained at home, and all of that, everything you need to comment me, because I really love reading your comments. And you know what, I need to tell you something more important. I don't like telling anything without my spectacles in. Just a second. So guys, I have mixed all of my concealer, everything. So now the interesting thing that I was going to tell is that so very recently I have uploaded an Instagram reel on my Instagram, obviously, and it went viral. Like I got a lot of views on that. So yeah, I was really pleased, and I got a lot of comments also on that. Like I asked somebody, my hairs, oh my god. So I asked you people on Instagram, like a lot of people don't follow me on Instagram because everyone says that you don't have Instagram. My friends also don't have Instagram. I also used to not have Instagram, but I have opened it only because of this channel. But now I find it useful, but also at the same time I have uninstalled Instagram from my mobile because kind of it was distracting me. But anyways, only for my studies I have uninstalled Instagram. Anyways, so I do all the Instagram stuff from my mom's mobile, the one from which I'm filming. Use this Lakme compact powder. So guys, I have used the compact powder, and as you can see I have also filled in my brows. I'm not really good in that, but anyways, as I was telling that I was going to tell you all something. So a lot of days ago I have also asked you all like on my YouTube, I have made just a video. As I don't have a lot of subscribers, so my community post is not enabled, so I just made a small video short. So I have asked there to ask me some questions. So a lot of you asked me some questions, so I'm just gonna answer them quickly, but for that I need my phone. Before that I'm just going to do my contour. So for my contour I'm using this Duo contour. Also, you know, I really don't have a lot of subscribers, so I just can't give community post and update you all on YouTube. So if you all have Instagram, please try to follow me on Instagram because I give a lot of update over there. So those of you don't follow me on Instagram, you will not know that which kind of update I give. So if you have Instagram, please try to follow me there because I give a lot of update there. So please try to follow me there. And I'm like too lazy to open my spectacles. I want this makeup to be very, very natural, nothing too fancy. So yeah, I'm filming this video like in the too much night time. So yeah, I just want to finish this video faster. Yeah, contour is done. Now let me quickly go and bring my phone and I'll answer you all's question. I'm super duper excited for that. Okay, so I have my phone here with me and now I'm just gonna quickly answer the questions. So most of the questions are actually asked by my known ones, my close friends. So the first question says, are you thinking to pursue YouTube as a full-time career? So now I really don't know whether I'm going to pursue YouTube as my full-time career or not. Blush. I really don't know whether I'm going to pursue YouTube as my full-time career or not, but I would love to do so. But as a career I am not going to do it, because I have some other plans set for my career. Like I want to become a doctor. Like everyone has some plans, for their career goals. Like someone wants to become a doctor, someone wants to become engineer, someone wants to become this, that, etc. So in the same way I also have a different goal. But if you ask me, like that what about YouTube, like if you become something at your future, will you not do YouTube? No, the answer is no. I will obviously do YouTube because I love making YouTube videos. So yeah, whatever I become a doctor, I become a teacher, whatever I become, but I will always keep on making YouTube videos. How much time, up to how much time only I can, I will obviously keep on making YouTube videos, because I just love making YouTube videos and the process of editing and watching your videos, watching other comment on your videos, hearting their comments, and everything is just so satisfying. So I will always keep on making YouTube videos. So yeah, the right answer to this is I will not take YouTube as a career, but I will. Why are the dogs barking? So the right answer to this is I will not take YouTube as my career in the later future, but I will obviously keep on making YouTube videos. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. So the next question says, whom do you like the most among your sister and brother? This is a very, very tough question. But I would say, if I would really need to choose among one, I would say it's I really don't know whom I love more, but I really love both. I can't choose one from my sister and brother because I really love both. They are like precious stones, precious part of my life, so I just can't choose one. But yeah, like my sister is likely to me in her own. So yeah, as I was saying, a lot of dogs are barking actually. So as I was saying, I like my sister in her own ways, and I love my sister in her own ways, and I love my brother in his own ways. So can't just compare them two, and can't just differentiate them two. Anyways, let's move on to the next question. Just want to do them quickly, like it's a lot in the night. It's already 7:40 in the night, and I just want to finish this video very soon. So the next question says, what is your goal in life? The dogs are barking so much, guys. I don't know whether you can hear me or not. I tried to pause this video for a while so that the dogs go away, but they are not going. So yeah, I'll just try to speak a little high. So anyways, what is your goal in life? Talking about my short-term goal is to study properly, study for long time, long hours. Talking about my little middle-term goals is that I want to score good percentage, good numbers in my boards. And talking about my long-term goals is that I want to become a doctor. It's a very, very important decision. It's a very important thing that I want to do, and it's a thing that is very close to my heart. So yeah, my long-term goal is that I want to become a doctor. Okay, next is that, have you ever been punished in your school? If yes, for what? Yeah, I have been punished in my school. Like once or twice, maybe. Once maybe I was doing a dance step wrong, and I was punished that time with my friends. And next, the whole class was detained because of a very bad monitor in our class. Yeah, that were the only two punishments I remember. Yeah, we are not usually punished that very often. Yeah, we are like we people are like the good students in our class, so we are not usually punished that much. Next is that, are you going to bring your mom and dad in your channel? I think not so soon, because my channel has not grown yet. So please guys, please subscribe. You're just watching me and not subscribing, so please subscribe, and I may bring my mom and dad very soon in my channel, also my siblings. So please subscribe, and I may bring my siblings and my mom and dad very soon in my channel. Let my channel at least hit some big goals, then I'll obviously introduce my family to you all. Next, are you going to do your house tour? Not anytime, not anytime. My house is at a very bad condition, so I'm not going to do a house tour anytime. Yeah. I can't do a house tour. Sorry for that, but I can't do a house tour because my house is at a very bad condition. Only the room in which I film, maybe that room and my sister's study room is in a good condition. Others, all room are so messy and so freaking bad condition. So I can't do a house tour soon, but maybe like after a year or so, when it gets renovated, when we may do a makeover, maybe that time I can do a house tour, but not so soon. Then question says is that what embarrasses you the most? I think embarrasses is that when someone talks about my little silly things when I was small girl. When in childhood we usually do some mistakes, so when after growing up someone talks about that embarrasses me. And what do you look up, whom do you look up to the most? Whose qualities do I look up to the most? I think it's of my mom, because my mom is a beautiful person, she's a great person, and I would love to get all the properties of my mom. She is such a great person. So yeah, I would love to get all the properties of my mom. She's a hardworking lady, she is so dedicated to all her goals. So yeah, I would love to get all the personalities, everything of my mom, and I'm too much dedicated to her. What is your biggest fear? My biggest fear is to lose someone whom I love. Who was the last person who made you cry? The last person who made me cry is just before some time is my sister and dad. I can't tell you the reason. What have you felt? When have you felt the most challenged? The time when I felt the most challenged was when I was admitted in the hospital for a very bad cause. I just don't want to talk about it. Name a friend who is most likely to kill someone accidentally. So I have already done a friend's video, so I can take the names. Kill someone accidentally, I think no one. Name a friend who is most likely to watch romantic movies. I think it can be Priya. Priya, this video goes to you. This part, I mean. Name a friend who is most likely to be the most emotional. I think it's me. Who would be most likely awkward on our first date? Every one of us. Do you have a crush? No, I don't have anyone. What made you start a YouTube channel? There was no specific goals for us to start a YouTube channel. We always wanted to make a YouTube channel, but yeah, suddenly we started a YouTube channel. So yeah, there were no specific goals. We always wanted to make a YouTube channel, and we suddenly made a YouTube channel. Who is your favorite YouTuber? I have a lot of favorite YouTubers. Like I have Mridul Sharma, I have Meghna Varghese, I have I forgot the names of Meghna Varghese, Mridul Sharma. I love Mansi Mao. I love so many are there. I just can't take the names. Talking about international, I love Liliana Ketchman. I love Revisign. I love Study to Success, and so many of them. And I love myself. Anyways, let's quickly do the other part of the makeup. So guys, I have applied some eyeliner, if you can see. So yeah, I have applied some eyeliner, and now it's time for lipstick. So for lipstick, I'm going to use this SQ Minis lipstick. This is the last step left for our makeup. Here is my final look. I hope you all can see my makeup and you all liked it, and hope you got to interact with me in my Get Ready With Me plus a little chit chat. So yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, If you are new to my channel, then please don't go without subscribing, and also don't forget to turn on the bell icon because that's the most important step. And yeah, you can also follow me on Instagram. I have Instagram, I'll put it on the description box, the handle. And I have also a vlogging channel. I'll put all the links of that in the description box below, and also I'll name all the products that I have been using in the description box below, so you can totally check out the description box. And I think, yeah, that's basically it for the video. I hope you all could get interacted with me with today's video. See you all in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe, stay in your home, and take care of others. Love you all. Bye bye guys.